Alright guys, well you can see I'm out here surveying my land. Got my big burn pile going. It's out here raking up some of this stuff out here so I can start getting this cleaned up. I'm glad the brush ain't pretty thick out here. I don't know if that's like called sugar cane or something. I don't know what that is. It look like there's something buried there too. So I'm glad, because I want to clear all this out. I want to clear all that there out so I can make room for build me like a half barn back through here, so I can put all my animals back here and my chickens and stuff like that. So I'm excited. I can't wait. But before I'm gonna just clear off all this land first. I'm gonna have to get it surveyed. Because I want to make sure. I hope that's still my property and it goes back to that tree. That'd be great. But if not, that's fine. But if it like goes to that tree and then goes that way, that'd be fine too. But I was looking at my shop, and that center post right there is a little bit, it's bent like in. So I think what I'm gonna have to do, guys, I'm probably gonna have to rip the whole front of this off and just reframe the whole face of it so I can put in what I want to put in. So I might put in 2 bays and put a door right there in the middle. So, but we'll see. It's down the road, probably this spring. I'll probably start on it this spring. Right now I'm just trying to, I gotta cut this big tree out. I gotta tear this thing down. I wish I can just burn it down, but I don't want to catch a whole place on fire. But it is what it is. All right guys, like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up as you watch this place revolve. I'm gonna finish that probably Wednesday, because I put in the front door. So all right guys, till the next time, bye bye.